So the first thing I'm going to start doing is basically making me one part down the middle of my hair. One thing I like to do to make sure that all products get on my hair is to basically evenly distribute it. So I like to make a part down the middle just so I can make sure that all of my hair gets evenly covered with all the products I use. And the one thing I do like to do is make sure that the product is on the middle of my hair, because I have a habit of putting product all over my hair except for the middle, and that's where all the frizz and all the other things that you don't like about your hair comes into play. So it's very important to make sure that all of your products are evenly distributed all over your hair, all the way down to the ends. So the first product I'm going to be using is the Palmer's Olive Oil Formula Leave-In Conditioner. So I'm just going to start spraying this all over my hair, making sure I get it on the roots, on the bottom of my hairs, the ends, the edges, everywhere. And then I'm going to distribute it with my tooth comb. One thing I do with my hair is I make sure that I put products on each side of my hair one at a time. I just like to make sure that my hair gets all of the proper products inside of it and it sits in my hair and starts to work the same amount of time so that my hair can be nice and curly just like the way I like it. The next product I'm going to be using is the Olive Oil Moisturizing Hair Lotion. I like to use this hair lotion only because it helps with breakage, and I have a lot of breakage in my hair because I need to go and get my ends cut. So every time I'm doing my hair is just like completely breaking, and I just love how this lotion helps my hair. Next, for my curls, I'm going to be using this Twisted Sista Curl Activator cream, and I am totally obsessed with this cream. I love how it makes my hair super curly. Like, my hair is already naturally curly, but these just enhance my curls even more, and I love it so much. It's not sticky or dewy whatsoever, and the good thing about this cream is that it really goes a long way, so you don't really have to use too much when you're doing your hair. And I actually picked up this nice little brush from Walmart. It's from a company called Evolve, but I just love this because it just makes my curls more bouncy, and I use this to distribute the curl lotion throughout my hair. So I'm going to take my Evolve brush and I'm going to just go around my head one last time and just make sure that I get all the products I use evenly distributed throughout my head, and basically style my hair just the way I like to do it. For edges, I'm going to be using my Eco Professional Styling Gel, and I'm going to be using this nice little brush, edge brush I picked up from a beauty store. So when I do my edges, I really just don't try to wet my brush that I do my edges with. I just like to just put gel on it because I just feel like if I put water onto my brush, the edges are not going to stay like I want them to. So I just add gel to my brush and just make sure I go and put enough gel to keep my edges nice and lead. I hardly ever even do my edges up here, so. For my last product, I'm going to be using this Garnier Fructis Shine Glossing Spray. This spray is actually going to give my hair extra shine, and it's going to protect my hair from any kind of heat. So this is the final look for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little hair tutorial I did on how I do get my curls nice and bouncy. Please like and subscribe to this video, and don't forget to check out more videos just like this on my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.